What's up? It's your girl Yadi Girl Flavor, and I'm coming back with a next recipe. This one is quick, simple, and definitely easy. Here I have about 2 pounds of salmon, which I washed in lime juice and vinegar and remove the skin. I'll be making black pepper salmon, so stay tuned to see how I make that. So I'm about to dice up my salmon. You might have heard of black pepper chicken, but this is going to be black pepper salmon. I'm not going to fry my salmon in oil. I'm going to show them in the air fryer, and I'm also not going to toss them in cornstarch or flour. Also for this, you're going to need 1 onion, 3 cloves of garlic, about 2 bell pepper, or 1 if you don't like bell pepper, different color to give your dish a nice presentation. And you're gonna need some ginger, maybe just this much of ginger. But yeah, today we're gonna make black pepper salmon. So this is my salmon. So here I have 1 onion that I have chopped up. I have 3 cloves of garlic. I have my ginger and my bell pepper. I'm using green, yellow, orange, and red. They do look a bit frozen. Yes, they are, because when I go to the store, I wash them and then dice them up and put them in the freezer. So I just grab and go. And comment below if anybody does that as well. But we're going to also need these for our black pepper salmon. So to my salmon, I'm going to add some salt. Not a lot. I'm going in with some ground ginger. I'm going in with some onion powder. And all of these are about a teaspoon or less. And then I'm going in with some garlic powder. So the same fresh season I have, the onion, the garlic, the ginger, is the same powder seasoning. So we're keeping the seasoning the same. Then I'm going in with some black pepper. Because we're making black pepper salmon as much as you can handle, okay? And we're gonna mix that. So this step, if you were gonna fry them, then this is the step where you will add your flour and then put them in your oil. But as I said, I'm not doing that step. I'm just gonna put them in my air fryer, cut out that oil or the frying process. It's still gonna fry, but it's gonna be in the air fryer. So this is what we have so far. So here I have my air fryer. I sprayed a little spray olive oil in there, and now I'm gonna add my salmon in. So here I have my salmon. It's about to go into my air fryer. I'm going to select the fish option, and it says 20 minutes for 400 degrees, but I might do 15. So let's go. So this is my salmon after 10 minutes at 400 degrees in the air fryer. So I think I'm gonna leave it as that and move to the next step. Okay, so I have my wok here. I'm gonna add my onions. my ginger and my garlic. I'm just gonna saute this a bit, then add our bell peppers. Next, we're gonna add our bell peppers. And just gonna let that saute and cook too. Then we're gonna add some soy sauce. Add our salmon. So this smells so yummy. The ginger, the garlic. I'm gonna add some onion and some more black pepper. Try your best not to break your salmon. Simple, easy, and delicious black pepper salmon. You can see the black pepper standing out. When I was initially seasoning it, I used a fine grain black pepper, but towards the end I add a more coarser grain black pepper. This is yummy, this is delicious, this is flavorful, and that ginger and garlic together with the onion and your bell peppers, yummy.